Hi, it's Robert Jefferson here again with an overview video on the 2019 Hyundai Kona Ironman Edition. Today we're going to be talking about the 2019 Hyundai Ironman Edition's heads-up display. To bring up your heads-up display, you'll press the HUD button here in the middle. To change your options on your heads-up display, you will go to the page menu, get to your user settings, which is the emblem with the gear logo. Press OK on heads-up display. You can change your display height, rotation, brightness, the content, speed, size, speed, color. On your first option, you have display height. Display height will allow you to actually lower or raise your heads-up display content. Next, you have rotation. Rotation, you can change the rotation of your heads-up display. Next, you can change your brightness on your heads-up display from the 20 max to the minimum. Next, you do have a content selection. You can do from your turn-by-turn direction, traffic information, your lane safety information from your lane keep assist, and your blind spot safety. Next, you also have speed size. Speed size you can filter through having a smaller display or larger display for the speed. Last but not least, you have speed color. From speed color, you can change your heads-up display's color from white, orange, and green. That's it for today. Please like and subscribe. Please comment in the question box with any questions you do have. To set up a test drive appointment, please stop on by and go and ask for Robert. Thank you.